Integrating Affirm with Stripe enables your business to offer customers a buy now, pay later payment option, enhancing flexibility and potentially increasing sales. Here's how to connect Affirm to your Stripe account. Prerequisites: Stripe account. Ensure you have an active Stripe account. Business location: your business must be based in the United States or Canada, as Affirm is supported only in these regions. Currency: transactions should be processed in USD. Steps to enable Affirm in Stripe: access Stripe dashboard. Log into your Stripe account. Navigate to payment methods. From the dashboard, go to Settings, Payment Methods. Enable Affirm. In the Buy Now, Pay Later section, locate Affirm. Click Turn on to enable Affirm as a payment method. Integration options: Stripe offers multiple integration methods to incorporate Affirm into your checkout process. Payment Intents API for custom payment flows. Stripe Payment Element for a pre-built UI component supporting various payment methods, including Affirm. Stripe's pre-built checkout page for a hosted payment page with minimal setup. On-site messaging to inform customers about Affirm's BNPL options throughout their shopping experience. Implement Affirm's on-site messaging. This can be achieved using Stripe's payment method messaging element, which seamlessly integrates with your site. Testing: before going live, conduct thorough testing to ensure the Affirm payment option functions correctly within your checkout process.